What's up, guys? Welcome to EastWestBeats, and today we're gonna make a beat like STORCH. I know I've been seeing videos on Instagram. I know you have been too, where he's just making sick melodies on a keyboard, holding a joint, a cigarette, or whatever. But he does make some really insane music. He was really big in the early 2000s. Very talented producer. So I wanted to give it a try in Logic Pro to make a beat that has a same feel and vibe as his music. So I wanted to walk you guys through something that I kind of put together. So let's jump into it. I'll break it down for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them below, and also let me know what kind of content you want to watch, and make sure you subscribe. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the production that I have. I'll kind of walk you through everything that I have here. So let's play it out a little bit. Alright, so that's the beginning of the beat, and then we kind of go into the hook over here. Alright, so it's a pretty simple beat. Let me just show you what I started off with. So first I created this flute melody, so let's just go with that. As you guys can see that it's just a simple melody that repeats itself, but what I had to do to get that sound is layer it up. Layer of the flute. It's the bells. And then I also have an external Yamaha keyboard, so I use that to get some classic sounds out of the keyboard. So here they are layered up. So when you play all of those together, this is what it sounds like. Alright, so next thing I laid down was the hi-hat. It was just a simple 16th note hi-hat. Alright, so the kick was pretty simple. You can just see the kick pattern right here. So it's a pretty simple kick. Just used battery, and I basically took out any frequencies that weren't playing. Any frequencies that I didn't need, actually. And then I added the snare. Now this is actually the part that really gets the groove going for this beat. It's a very insane snare pattern. Had to really figure out how he's doing that. But he's using your typical second and the fourth, and then he's also using a lot of offbeat snares. So let's listen to just the snares. I'm going to mute the flutes. Alright, so we did that, and then there was an 808 layer, so let's listen to that. Alright, so that's basically your drums, 808s, and your flutes, and when you put it together, it sounds insane. Alright, so for the bridge, what I did is I actually just took out the kicks and let everything play. And then here what I did is I chopped up the flute note, so it sounds like this. It builds a super crazy effect. It's just the first note of the flute playing, but it just gives a crazy effect. And then you just kind of go into the hook again, which sounds like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you make a STORCH type of a beat. Pretty simple. Layer your instruments, find a really catchy melody, and then all you have to do is find the right drums that knock, and that's how you make it. If you guys have any questions on the project, let me know. If you guys need anything additional, maybe the samples from this, leave a comment below, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next one.